Hi everyone, welcome to another video on Canadian dividend investment. Today I'm going to buy more shares of two stocks that I already own. It's been a while since I wanted to buy more shares of these stocks. However, I was a little hesitant as I was already sitting on a good gains. But now looking at it for weeks, I don't see the prices of these stocks to go that low as it was when I first ended. So I'm not waiting anymore and decided to invest the money I have in my account on these two stocks. So let's go ahead and buy some shares. Now, this is something I noticed recently on WealthSimple. It's pretty cool. So this gives a better visual representation of the total amount that has been invested and the portfolio value at a given point of time. So from this you can see that in the current month I only added the funds in the beginning of the month, and that's why a straight line here after the first couple of days or so. It appears that it's the deposit that you made and not actually the money you invested. I know I have received some dividends this month, but I don't see the value of this line changing. So probably the dividends is getting added to the portfolio value. I'm not sure. I have to look into this. So for this 1 month, I have around 4% of gain. And if we look at 1 year chart, initial couple of months, the difference between the net deposit and the portfolio is not much. But as we go towards the right, the gap increases. That's a good encouragement for a systematic investment. So overall, a 9% gain for the last 6 months. A gain of 2% for the current week. Pretty much a straight line kind of. 1 day, not much difference compared to yesterday. So I have $310 waiting to be invested. And if you look at my portfolio, almost all stocks are in green except the two. One of the stocks that is in red is aqn. I would love to invest in this to average out my book cost. However, I have previously bought these stocks when it was down. I started off with 5 shares and then now it's 15. So I have invested in aqn during the dips. I have bought 5 shares last month as well. So today, even though I am tempted to add more of Algonquin Power and Utilities, I wanted to invest in another sector. And as I mentioned earlier, I've been wanted to invest in this sector for a while. So we will skip aqn for today. Another stock that is in red for me is CN Rail. This is a great stock to own. However, not today, as it is a pricey stock and it will take away most of my money that I have in my account, and it will leave very less for the stocks that I really want to buy today. So scrolling down, ignoring all other stocks, here are the ones that I'm planning to buy. Two REITs, Smart Syndes and Ryokan. So I bought these two long time back when I started this account, and if you look at the gains, they are in a great position for me, 24 and 28% gain respectively. So this was the reason why I was a bit hesitant, as at the current price it will increase my book cost. But on the other side, I only own 5 shares of each, and these are good dividend stocks. And since we are reopening, I believe these will go up again. So this is a sector I wanted to invest more currently. So let's go ahead and buy Smart Centers first. It's down a bit for today, but if you look at this week, beginning it was going up and then somewhere in the middle of the week it started falling. Maybe next week it may go down further, but it's definitely not going to make much of a difference for my book cost. Similarly, for monthly chart, there has been a sudden spike, then kind of settled, even corrected a bit, and another big spike. Now it's going down. So I feel this is a good time for me to re-enter. If you look at my average price, it's great at 23.9, whereas the current price it's trading at 29.8. So I will be buying 5 shares today, submit a market buy option, and yes, the request has been completed and the order has been filled. Now we will move to the next stock. Ryokan. Today it opened with a dip, but slowly as trading continued it recovered a bit, but still down compared to yesterday. For the current week, similar to Smart Centers, the first half of the week there was an upward trend, and then last couple of days it kind of corrected the price, but still considerable gain from the beginning of the week. The 1 month chart show how good the REITs have been doing. It has almost gained $1, and I believe as things will start getting normal, we can see a good increase in REIT values. My book cost is $17.18. I wish I had invested more into these stocks, but it's not late to enter into the market. I have $161 and will put all into Ryokan now. I think I may be able to buy 8, no, 7 shares it is. So let's put a market buy option for this as well. Okay, seems like I won't be able to buy 7, only 6, or I should put a limit buy. But that's fine, let's buy 6 shares now. We will place a market buy option for 6 now, and that has also been filled. I have $28 available in my account now. I could have bought 7 shares of Ryokan, but that is fine. I will add more soon. Now, if you look at the gain for these two stocks after today's buy, it came down from 24 to 26 range to 10 and 11. But more shares mean more dividends. The dividends from Ryokan and Smart Centers for me is below $1. Now going forward, it will be surely above $1. Now I'm thinking of investing the $28 in one more stock. Um, I can probably buy 1 share of SIA or EIT income fund. Okay, I think I know what I want to do. AQN is in red for me, and I can use this $28 to buy 1 more share of Algonquin. AQN was down for the last couple of months, and then it gained a bit momentum, but if you look at it around the middle of June, it fell to below $19, now slowly gaining a bit. Hopefully it will go up next week. Even this week it's been a roller coaster ride for this stock. Lots of short dips, good time to add more. Up 10 cents today. So without wasting any time, let's buy 1 share of Algonquin. As I did earlier, I will put a market buy option, and that also got filled. So that's it, all the buy for this month. I have invested a small amount in WealthSimple Crypto, and if you see, it's not doing good for me. But that's not what I want to show you. So as most of you may be aware, WealthSimple Crypto had only Bitcoin and Ethereum coins available for trading, but this week they added a lot more of coins. Most of these I don't know. Never heard many of these names. Uniswap, Litecoin, Doge. These ones I have come across before. So if you are interested in crypto, you can check out these. So that is it from my side for today. If you are still watching and have not subscribed, please subscribe. I will much appreciate your support. I will do a portfolio and a dividend update video on June 30th. Till then, enjoy the weekend and stay safe.